Gukinyeria riu dora imwe yambatirite nginya ciringi 143 undu uria urerikana gucungiriirio ni kuongerereka kwa marihi ma njoherera kuma kuri bengi ya Federal Reserve iria iramataga uritu na wonekani wa dora bururi-ini wa Amerika. Ataramu wa maundu ma kimbeca makiuga uyu ni undu umanite na kwambatira kwa garama ya indo bururi-ini ucio.
Rate yao ya bengi yaongerereka na kuria investors yothe menda gutora Amerika. Mbeca cikauma Kenya. Riu movement ya mbeca kuuma Kenya ri ni iratuma ndore yo ikorwo igikatia ituika strengthened.
The inflation rates in the UK, Europe and US is now double digit. And now to manage that inflation, they have to increase the interest rates. Interest rates in the US have really increased phenomenally, right? They were almost at 0%. They are hovering between 4.5% to 5%. We will know by next week, Monday or Tuesday next week, because the Fed is going to announce another rate increase, could announce another rate increase.
Guku bururi-ini ahuri biacara aria maguraga indo kuuma na nja wa bururi ni amwe aria mahutitio o ari undu uronekana guthie na mbere kwa ihinda ria mieri 18 yukite.
And to be honest, you know, today the rate is 140, it could be 142 by June, it could possibly reach 150, we don't know. It all depends how the issues in the US are dealt with. Because the question to ask is, for how long can we allow the Kenya shilling to depreciate?
Kindu kia maga ciringi 137 na thumuni on Monday. Umuthi uyu kuringana ndoro gwihana kiagire gukorwo gikiuma ciringi 143. Na tondu ni thoko ici tu ihana. Ndungihota kuongerera customer muthenyo na thiku inya umongere by close to 5%.
Ni undu utindikiriirie ahuri biacara kuhaicia thogora wa indo iria marendia kugwithagwithio kwa magoti hari indo ici ari mamwe ma maria mendekithitie.
Turariha mbeca nyingi muno na guku Kenya gukioya murigo ucio ni gukora ni wetio mbeca nyingi tondu nao megutarwo na dola. No to hope thirikari ingirire ituteithiririe maundu-ini ma kurehe mirigo iyo.
But kaundu karia turanaga na exchange rate igithie ugu irathi ya Kenya ni kuongera interest rates at least niguo aya foreign investors uhote kuma attract moke Kenya.
And to that effect, the Kenyan government, our Central Bank of Kenya, has tried to also increase the interest rates. Now that compounds the situation further. So if I am an importer, I'm going to be hit by the forex, I'm going to be hit by the high interest rates. How am I going to survive?
Ria mwisho dora kwambatira nginya gikiro giki kwari hakuhi miaka 20 mihituku nona gukiri uguo murugamiri munene wa kambuni ya uthurimi wa mahuthiro ma mbeca PKF Malpesh Vader ni akinyiriirie uyu ni undu uhutitie thi ngima kimuhuko.
Prediction is that the global economies of the Western world is going to go into a recession. All right, they cannot sustain these high interest rates because even the local people are suffering. So if the interest rates do come down, right, there's a possibility that the US dollar could depreciate. But the question that we have to ask ourselves, you know, it's in Kenya, what goes up, it takes a lot of time for it to come down.
Gukinyeria riu ciringi ĩgũĩte nginya gicunji gia 13 ĩkĩringithanio na dora. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.